So apart from the fact that if you double click the power button on the Galaxy S22 Plus, it automatically boots the device, there are 4 amazing features I'd like to share with you in today's video. I go by the name DELPPY and I wouldn't want to waste much of your time, so without further ado, let's start today's video. Welcome to Bytes Unlocked, and in today's video we'll be taking a look at 4 features the Galaxy S22 Plus packs that I find quite interesting. And the first one has to do with wireless power share. Now this is a feature that has been existent ever since the Galaxy Note 10 series was announced. Now this feature basically means that the device doubles as a wireless charger, whereby when you place a device that supports wireless charging at the rear side of the Galaxy S22 Plus, it automatically starts charging. Now, I think there's a setting on the phone you'd have to toggle on to activate this feature for the device. It doesn't only have to be a wireless device. If the device also has USB Type-C support, all you need is a USB Type-C to Type-C cable and you can start charging the device with that cable as well. The next amazing feature is the fact that Samsung has finally teamed up or have a collaboration with Snapchat, TikTok and Instagram to help with optimization when using the camera section to either take videos or pictures within these apps. This time around, Samsung would allow you to use their ultra wide angle lens when using the Instagram, TikTok or Snapchat app. And why I found this device very useful was within the Snapchat app, and it was very great to see that there is a 0.6 times lens adaptation within the Snapchat app. So it's a cool feature to have on there, and you now don't have to worry about your Snapchats or TikToks lagging whenever you use the Galaxy S22 Plus. The next feature comes within the Google Duo app, which allows you to play movies together with whoever you're having a video call with. So just like SharePlay on iOS, on Samsung you are able to do this within the Google Duo app. This is a Samsung Galaxy S22 exclusive. So this is available for the S22, S22 Plus and the S22 Ultra. Not available for other devices at the moment, but it is known that it will be extended to other devices. The last and final feature is wireless DeX. Now with this you are able to wirelessly connect Samsung DeX to your monitor. All you need to do is there is a button at the notification side. You'd have to just toggle that button. Automatically it starts searching for wirelessly connected monitors around, and then you can pair it up and start having your Samsung DeX experience on the monitor. My name is DELPPY. This has been it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, leave a like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss updates from us anytime we upload a video. Once again, I'm DELPPY and you can follow me on Instagram at DELPPY1_, and same for Twitter as well. I'll catch you in another one. Stay safe.